Could artificial intelligence be our secret weapon in the fight against climate change? This question sparks a fascinating conversation at the crux of two of the most significant challenges and opportunities of our time: artificial intelligence and climate change. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly evolving field that's already changing the way we live and work. But beyond the realms of self-driving cars and voice-activated home assistants, AI is also stepping onto the front line in the battle against climate change. AI empowers us with the ability to understand and predict the effects of climate change better than ever before. By crunching colossal volumes of data at lightning speed, AI can help us foresee and track weather patterns with remarkable accuracy. This predictive power is crucial in preparing for and mitigating the impacts of extreme weather events, which are becoming increasingly common with our changing climate. But AI's potential doesn't stop at prediction. It also plays a critical role in optimizing energy use. By intelligently managing energy consumption, AI can help us reduce our carbon footprint, making our homes, offices, and factories more energy efficient and less harmful to the environment. Furthermore, AI is driving innovation in the field of clean technologies. From designing more efficient solar panels and wind turbines to developing new methods of carbon capture and storage, AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in our quest for a cleaner, greener future. Yet, as we delve deeper into the intersection of AI and climate change, we must also consider the flip side of the coin. AI, while a potent tool in our arsenal, is not without its risks and limitations. Its large-scale models can be energy-intensive, and there's a pressing need for responsible and sustainable AI development. We must tread carefully, ensuring that our utilization of AI doesn't inadvertently exacerbate the very problem we're trying to solve. But as with any powerful tool, the use of AI in climate change mitigation is not without its risks and limitations. As we continue to explore this compelling intersection, we must strive to harness the power of AI responsibly for the greater good of our planet. Artificial intelligence, while a powerful tool, also comes with its own set of challenges. As we venture into the vast potential of AI in mitigating climate change, we mustn't overlook the various risks and limitations that come with it. AI, like any other technology, isn't without its drawbacks. Foremost among these is the high energy consumption of large-scale AI models. Training these sophisticated algorithms requires a huge amount of computational power. This translates into significant energy use, which paradoxically can contribute to the very problem we're trying to solve. Imagine running a marathon only to find out you're moving in circles. That's what it's like when the tools we use to fight climate change inadvertently add to the problem. In addition to energy usage, there's the challenge of responsible and sustainable AI development. As we witness a surge in the use and application of AI, the question arises, are we doing it responsibly? It's crucial to ensure that AI systems are transparent, accountable, and fair. They should be designed with the principles of sustainability and ethical considerations in mind. AI systems, after all, are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the data is biased, the output will be biased too. This can lead to skewed results and misguided actions, which could have serious implications when dealing with something as critical as climate change. Moreover, there's the issue of AI's accessibility and inclusivity. Much of the AI development is concentrated in the hands of a few tech giants, which could lead to a monopolistic control over this transformative technology. We need to ensure that AI benefits are distributed evenly and that it's accessible to all, instead of being a privilege of a few. Lastly, AI isn't a magic wand. It's a tool, and like any tool, it's only as effective as the hands that wield it. It can't replace human judgment or the need for systemic changes in our societies and economies. Therefore, it's crucial that we consider these challenges as we continue to leverage AI in our quest to combat climate change. We must strive for a balanced, responsible, and inclusive use of AI, where its potential is harnessed and its limitations are acknowledged and addressed. To delve deeper into this topic, we spoke with Dr. Jane Doe, an AI specialist. Dr. Doe's work sits at the crossroads of artificial intelligence and environmental preservation, a field that's rapidly evolving. She believes that AI is an invaluable tool to combat climate change, but she also emphasizes the need for responsible and sustainable development. According to her, the immense potential of AI lies in its ability to optimize various sectors. For instance, AI can optimize energy use in buildings, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. It's also instrumental in predicting weather patterns, which helps in planning for extreme weather events and in developing new clean technologies. But, she warns, there are also risks and limitations. One of the main issues is the energy consumption of large-scale AI models. AI has a carbon footprint, and it's not insignificant. That's why it's so important to develop AI responsibly, to strike a balance between its benefits and its environmental impact. Dr. Do also points out that AI is not a magic bullet. It can help us understand and tackle climate change, but it cannot replace the need for policy changes and individual actions. We can't rely on technology alone to solve our environmental problems. Looking towards the future, Dr. Do envisions a world where AI plays an even bigger part in climate change mitigation. She sees a future where AI is used to design more efficient renewable energy systems, to develop new materials for carbon capture, and even to predict and mitigate the effects of climate change on biodiversity. However, she stresses that the future of AI in this field depends on us. It depends on our commitment to sustainable development, on our willingness to adapt and innovate, and on our dedication to preserving our planet for future generations. Dr. Do's insights highlight the complexity and potential of AI's role in climate change mitigation. To gain more perspective, we also had a conversation with Dr. John Smith, a renowned climate scientist. Dr. Smith's perspective on the role of artificial intelligence in climate science is both insightful and thought-provoking. He believes that AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we understand and respond to climate change. According to Dr. Smith, AI can help us analyze vast amounts of climate data more quickly and accurately than ever before. This can lead to more precise predictions about how our climate is changing and what the future may hold. However, Dr. Smith also emphasizes the challenges of integrating AI into climate change mitigation strategies. One of the biggest hurdles, he notes, is the sheer complexity of climate systems. These systems are influenced by a multitude of factors, many of which are still not fully understood. AI can help us sift through the data and identify patterns, but it's not a magic bullet. We need to be cautious and ensure that our AI models accurately reflect the complexity of the real world. Another challenge is the ethical dimension. As we harness the power of AI to combat climate change, we must also consider the environmental impact of AI itself. AI systems, particularly large-scale models, can consume significant amounts of energy. We need to ensure that our use of AI is sustainable and doesn't contribute to the very problem we're trying to solve. Despite these challenges, Dr. Smith is optimistic about the future. He sees a world where AI and climate science work hand in hand to create a more sustainable and resilient planet. He imagines a future where AI helps us optimize our use of renewable energy, predict and manage extreme weather events, and develop innovative solutions to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. But to realize this vision, Dr. Smith stresses the need for collaboration between AI researchers, climate scientists, policymakers, and the public. Only by working together can we harness the full potential of AI for climate change mitigation. Dr. Smith's expertise provides a valuable perspective on the intersection of AI and climate science. As we've seen, AI holds significant potential for aiding in the fight against climate change. The intersection of AI and climate change has opened a new frontier in our battle against this global crisis. AI, with its predictive capabilities, can optimize energy use, predict weather patterns, and aid in the development of new clean technologies. We've delved into the risks and limitations of AI as well, recognizing that the energy consumption of large-scale AI models is a significant concern. It's essential that we develop AI responsibly and sustainably, ensuring that we're not exacerbating the problem we're trying to solve. Our expert interviews brought forth some illuminating insights. AI specialists are working tirelessly to leverage AI for the greater good of the planet, focusing on innovative solutions that can make a difference. Climate scientists, on the other hand, stressed the urgency of the situation, reminding us that while AI is a powerful tool, it's not a silver bullet. We need to combine it with other mitigation strategies for maximum impact. AI's potential in climate change mitigation is vast, but it's not a standalone solution. It's a tool in our arsenal, one that we must use wisely and responsibly. We also need to be mindful of the energy consumption of AI and strive for more energy-efficient models. The insights shared by our experts underline the importance of cross-disciplinary collaboration. AI experts and climate scientists need to come together, share knowledge, and work towards common goals. Only then can we fully leverage the power of AI in our fight against climate change. Our journey doesn't stop here. There's so much more to learn, so many more avenues to explore, and that's why we need your continued support. Remember to subscribe to AI Hub for more thought-provoking content on AI and its impact on our world. Together we can harness the power of AI for a greener, more sustainable future.